Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making coconut pound cake. It's so delicious and moist. So keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. First I'll add 1 cup of butter in a bowl, sugar and mix until creamy. I will write the measurements in the comment section. Next I will add eggs. I'm going to add 1 by 1 and mix. Once that is done, I will add vanilla extract and mix. Next, I will add flour, baking powder and 4 tablespoons of milk. I will mix until well combined. The last ingredients to add is my desiccated coconut. I'm going to give it a good mix until well combined. At this time, I have greased my pan with butter and some parchment paper. I will transfer the butter in my greased pan and sprinkle some coconut on top. Transfer in a preheated oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. 35 minutes later, our coconut pound cake is ready. It turned out so delicious and I hope you give it a try. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!